Alright, so I decided to replace the seat cover for my Ford Excursion, and this seems to be a good fit, the one I purchased on eBay. And I think it was $100, made of leather. So I decided to replace it. So right now, basically what I'm doing is I'm already took off the old leather seat, and I'm putting in the new leather seat cover. However, I don't have a hog ring plier, and I'm not gonna go out and spend, you know, $25 on a pair of pliers that I'm not going to use that often. So I decided to just use zip ties, and this is just something that I'm decided to do. I don't know if there's any negative side effects to this. Hopefully it doesn't fall off, but these zip ties are pretty beefy. And here I'm just punching a hole into that fabric so I can insert the zip tie. And once I insert it into that hole, I kind of curve it and I just twist it up so that when I do put it under that the little rod, it'll just naturally pop up on the other side of the rod, and then I just use my pliers to pull it out. And that's basically it. It's pretty simple. So once you're done, you're going to just, cinch it up, pull on the zip tie, make sure everything is snug. And of course, here comes my wife doing quality control. So the last step is just snip it off, make sure, of course, everything is tight, cut the ends off, and that's pretty much it. And of course, you want to look inside, make sure everything is nice and tight along the lines.